Now we can discuss the third question. Say true or false and justify your answer. The first question is 10 multiplied by 10 raised to 11, which is equal to 100 raised to 11 is the answer. We have to think about the answer. First, we can solve this LHS part. That is, we know the equation a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Okay, that is here 10 into 10 raised to 11. That is, if there is no power, we know that is 1 itself. So 10 raised to 1, which is equal to 10 raised to 1 plus 11, which is equal to 10 raised to 12 is the answer. Okay, so here 10 raised to 12 is not equal to 100 raised to 11. So we can say this is false. Okay, this is false. Then we have to justify the answer. That is 10 raised to 11 is equal to 10 raised to 12, not equal to 100 raised to 11. Okay. Then the next question is second one, that is 2 raised to 3 is greater than 5 raised to 2. So we have to find the value of 2 raised to 3 and 5 raised to 2. So here 2 raised to 3 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2, that is equal to 8. And 5 raised to 2 is equal to 5 multiplied by 5, that is equal to 25. So 8 is less than 25, that is 2 raised to 3 is less than 5 raised to 2. Hence we can say, the given statement is, what is given here? That is 2 raised to 3 multiplied by 5 raised to 2 is greater than, 2 raised to 3 is greater than 5 raised to 2 is false. Then the third one is 2 raised to 3 multiplied by 3 square is equal to 6 raised to 5. Actually, here the base is not same or the power is not same. So we can't do this one. We have to find, we can't do or we can't apply the laws here. Actually, we have to find the value separately. That is LHS is equal to 2 raised to 3 multiplied by 3 square. That is 2 raised to 3. That is 2 times 2 times 2 multiplied by 3 times 3. That is 3 3s are 9. 9 times 2, 18 times 2, 36 times 2, 72 is the answer. Then 6 raised to 5. 6 raised to 5 is RHS. Okay. 6 raised to 5 is equal to 6 times 6 times 6. Again 6. How many times? 5 times. Okay. Then so here we got it as 7776. We know 72 is not equal to 7776. Hence we can write here the given statement 2 raised to 3 multiplied by 3 raised to 2 is equal to 6 raised to 5 is false. Okay. Now, fourth question, 3 raised to 0 is equal to 1000 raised to 0. That is, we know that is a raised to 0 is equal to 1. So, 3 raised to 0 is equal to 1. Also, 1000 raised to 0 is equal to 1. So, 1 is equal to 1. Here, LHS and RHS are same. So, we can say, hence, the given statement 3 raised to 0 is equal to 1000 raised to 0 is true.